Let's take a look at a pretty simple one. The symbol for design current is IN, IB, IA, IZ. We know that, don't we?
We do. Most should know this, and most will probably know it straight away, and that's good. But if you don't know it, you're going to have to go and look it up.
Yeah, but it's quite simple again because we're looking at, surely it's definitions?
It is. I mean, these things sort of set the scene, so
Yeah.
I would be looking straight for part 2, definitions without a doubt. But, you know, you've got to know, you could look up design current, but I don't think it gives you the symbol, so if you're not familiar with it...
Symbols is clearly the place to go, and it's pretty quick to find.
Yeah, please, go then, Dave. Right, I want you to...
Part 2?
Part 2.
Yeah, and I happen to know that it's at the back because we've got all the definitions there, so ding-a-ding-a-ding, ka-ching,
You
my man.
found it,
and
right?
there it is, IB, design current a second.
That's pretty quick. And in the exam, you know, that would be great, but that took 10 seconds to find.
Well, Gary, 10 seconds.
10 seconds, but you're likely to come here for several other occasions in the exam.
True.
So if you had to do that 5 or 6 times, that's a minute, but it might be 2 because you can't remember, you know, you've got to flick back. Although having the flag tags does help to sort of navigate the book, okay? So, should we try that again? Just close out the book. That was towards the back of that one, so let me just reset then. What I'd like you to do is if you choose flag tag number 3 and just turn back a couple of pages because it's at the end. So, off you go.
Okay. Oop. Took some time. There we are.
3 seconds. So,
and there was an error.
There was an error there.
An error.
Yeah.
Yes.
So as you know at the back, that would be a fantastic time saver. So let's have a look then. So zoom in. It's on page 40, and as we can see, we've got all of the symbols on there. So anything from A to Z, although it's not all of them covered. And what one are we looking for?
IB.
IB, design current. In fact, actually, what we can do is we can find IA, I2, and IZ for the current. And IT as well. So there's lots of things that we can cover there. So depending on the question, because obviously we don't know all of the City English questions and the logics and the EALs, so they will have asked a variety of these ones, but all of your answers that you can find are in this part.
You are right though, this is a very useful place, and you do refer to it quite a bit.
Oh, absolutely, yes.
So go to 3, back 2.
So
the Gundry method is quicker, so I'm told.
So there you go, and the answer then is?
IB.
IB.
Not 2B. Or not 2B, but IB.
Good quote.
Shakespeare got there first. We hope you found that useful. I should stress that the questions we're addressing in this series aren't official exam questions taken from any paper, but they're very typical of the sort of thing you find on questions from any of the examining bodies for the 18th edition. If there's a question or a subject that you'd like us to address in these sessions, then please do drop me a line, dave.austin@learninglounge.com, or you can simply enter the question in the comments box below.
And don't forget, there are more questions on our website, learninglounge.com/18, and even more questions when you subscribe to one of our courses.